Hello, today channel's video is about the best way to convert VHS videos through VCR to digital videos. If you have old VCR like Panasonic or camcorder videos and you want to convert them into digital files, if you have Windows 7 x86 architecture or 32 bits, I show you how with which kind of drivers or apps you can perform the job completely. At the first, plug video cable, then audio cables must be a separate audio cable. As you see, this is a separate one. It is very important to plug the separate audio cable to the blue jack at the back panel of your PC, and you also can plug your speaker at the routing way into the green jack. Here with a capture video card, you need to plug video cable into it. No need to plug any other cable into the video capture card. Then you must set up video capture card after you supplied it. Here to find your used and old video capture card driver, you need to read the information on this chipset and enter it into your browser, the same as I did, and I find the best solution. Here I checked and find that my drivers are completely installed. Then I need a video capture application or software. The best video capture application I found was virtual VCR, and you can watch settings that is important. Now you see your device is identified here, also your audio card, that is your main audio card of your PC. Then even you must not have access to playing your VHS tape or VCR. But after you record it, you can't find the file is recorded on documents folder. My tape is not clean and the recorded video is not good, but I have both video and audio captured.